Welcome back. Let's take a look at some stoichiometry conversions, converting grams of one chemical or substance to grams of another chemical or substance. So we will use the simple equation for producing ammonia as our equation. I will use blue for the coefficients. And now I will write out a problem for us to solve. How many grams of nitrogen are required to produce let's say 37 grams of NH3 or ammonia? First, I'm going to write my given down. That's 37 grams of ammonia. I know that this is grams to grams, so I know that I'm going to need at least 3 conversion factors. First, I want to get the grams into moles. To do that, I put my answer units on top, which are mole, my adjacent units on the bottom, which is grams. I know that the molar mass is 17. Add up the 2 elements. Now I don't want moles of ammonia to be my answer. I want grams of nitrogen, so I need to get moles of ammonia into moles of nitrogen so I can convert it further. Put my answer units on top, which are moles of nitrogen. I see that there is a coefficient of 1 in front of nitrogen. It's blue. And I see that ammonia has a coefficient of 2. Now I have moles of nitrogen, but that's not what I want. I want grams of nitrogen, so I need 1 more conversion factor. Put my answer units on top. Nitrogen goes on top. My adjacent unit of moles goes on the side. It's always 1 mole for molar mass. Molar mass will be 28. And I get a final answer of 30 grams of nitrogen. Let's look at solving gram to gram with some different chemical compounds. Let's say that I had 6.6 grams of hydrogen, and it reacts with excess nitrogen. The excess means there is plenty of nitrogen for the reaction to occur. How many grams of ammonia will be produced? So this is another gram to gram conversion. I can see I'm asked for grams and I am given grams. My first step will be to write my given. 6.06 grams of hydrogen. And then I will begin. First, I need to get grams into moles, a relatable unit. Put my moles on top because that's what I want. Put my grams on the bottom. Hydrogen is 2.02 grams. 1 is always used in molar mass. Now I don't want moles of hydrogen, I want grams of ammonia, so I need to get moles of ammonia. So moles of ammonia goes on top of my next conversion. Moles of hydrogen goes on the bottom. There's a coefficient of 2, which is in blue in front of ammonia, and a coefficient of 3, which is blue in front of hydrogen. So I put those numbers there. Now I have moles of ammonia, but I need grams of ammonia. So since that's what I want, I'll put grams on top for ammonia. And the adjacent unit on bottom of moles of ammonia. Ammonia is still 17. And my final answer is 34 grams. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.